This is where dreams are made and shattered. Where the future begins. The next Christian Top Model. And here are the judges. Our first juror is a well-respected dog trainer and producer of numerous dog shows across the country. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Tito Boy. For this very prestigious search, we've invited Miss Paula Abdul. However, she declined. So in her behalf, she has sent the cousin of her niece's neighbor, whose hobby is to collect postcards. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Purina Sanchez. You might know him as the man behind the voice of Kuya of the Kyrgyzstan Big Brother. You may love him or hate him. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jimmy Swarovski.
Welcome to the next Christian Top Model. What's your name, dog?
Yama!
Ali? Sakit nun. Sakit.
Pangalan?
Ako si Barangay Tagay.
Ale?
Malakas ako kay Chairman. Ako po si Magnifico. Buhay kayo.
Talent?
Mike.
Apo Hoiki. Ay sari-sari, ikaw na at talong, sa garilyo at manin, etaw, bataw, karen,
King of Hip and Cool Eminem!
Talent?
Rap! The West Coast to West Side! Write down.
Mayan. Mayan. Kakanta. Wait lang, Tang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ayun.
Nasaan po ako?
Ikaw na ako dito. Patilipan ba kami?
Hindi po. Galing po sa construction. Hindi po ba to?
Umayos ka.
Sorry po.
Hindi po.
Hi, I am Anwar, all the way from Mexico. Mariman, ako po si Mariman, lumaki sa tabing dagat. Di na kulang sa pangalan, sunod sa pagmamahal. Mariman,
Gas. Nawala kayo sa mga tagtang.
Ano mo?
Siso. Basilio! Crispin! Nasaan na kayo mga anak ko? Basilio! Crispin! Basilio? Crispin? Basilio! Crispin!
Bruno! Ano yung Bruno?
Ba't ba nagpapasok kayo ng ito?
Kasi ako si Bruno. Bruno! Ano Bruno?
Just sit back and relax. We will be right back after a few messages.